Well, here we are. Wakas at Simula album, guys. Oh my fucking god. Here we go, man. SB19 just dropped their new album, Wakas at Simula. We don't have to do a long intro for this, man. Without further ado, man, first track, Memories. Let's get it.
It's the look in your eyes. I can get enough, no way I forget it. One round Davis tonight. They tell me not to worry. Okay, stay in the moment and keep my focus. Tagal ko rin tong hinintay, I'm gonna own this. Kahit pa matumba, sugat ay hindi ko na ininda. Alam ko na malayo ba, pero malayo-layo na.
This is I love the flow of Josh in here, no? But also Ken, man. Ken is fucking singing in here. Let's repeat it back. Memories. I just really play it back because
It's the look in your eyes.
the vocal of Ken.
I can get enough, no way I forget it. One round Davis tonight. They tell me not to worry.
Oh, is that Pablo? At the ad-lib?
Okay, stay in the moment and keep my focus. Tagal ko rin tong hinintay, I'm gonna own this. Kahit pa matumba, sugat ay hindi ko na ininda.
You know na sobrang sobrang meaningful pag I mean lahat naman sila, but you know, Josh, sobrang meaningful pag siya nagsabi ng tagal ko rin tong hinintay, I'm gonna own this, but because you know the struggle, man. You know the struggle.
Rin tong hinintay, I'm gonna own this. Kahit pa matumba, sugat ay hindi ko na ininda. Alam ko na malayo ba, pero malayo-layo na.
Hey.
Don't know what it is. I'm feeling like an ecstasy.
Hey.
Got me in a bliss. When I'm with you, with you, with you. Yeah, underneath the spotlight, we've been dancing all night. Feel the beat is lifting us up on the ground. I can't wait off the memories. So hold on to it. We be going on and on and on. Even when the darkest of days to come. You're the only thing that I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind, day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I ever done. I can't wait to feel the one with a memory. Sabi ko ba nun?
Man, that's a fucking got a goosebumps, man. Fucking got a goosebumps. This song, man, yung tunog nito, this is for everyone, you know? Itong kantang to, it doesn't matter if you're a hater or you're a casual, this is for everyone. Kung di mo gusto yung ganitong klase ng kanta, di ko na lang alam. Hindi ko na lang alam. No? Kasi meron tayong mga preference minsan, di ba? Gusto natin ng ganitong klase ng genre or ganito. Pero yung mga ganitong klase ng tunog, you can never go wrong with this, no? And also, anyway, mamaya na.
Dati ayos na mag-isa. Sabi ko pa nun dati ayos na mag-isa. Laking pasasalamat ko sa ama at binigay kanya. Yung dating pangit ay biglang naiba naging kaya. Making our own history. We're floating like a satellite underneath the violet sky. Million shining lights, we're dancing with the firefly. I never thought I'd ever be this lucky to be living life with you. There's nothing that we cannot do. Don't know.
This is a fucking layered song, you know? You can actually like dedicate this song sa kamag-anak mo, you know, your loved ones. Also, pwede itong kanta nila for 18, right? Like memories that, you know, masaya ako nakasama ko kayo with this journey, right? Like kayo nandyan, like that. But also for, you know, to your other half or girlfriend or something like that. You can, you know, dedicate this song sa taong yun, no? Yeah, this song is just fucking beautiful in general, no? If you don't like this type of song, di ko na alam. Ah.
got me in a bliss when I'm with you, with you, with you. Yeah, underneath the spotlight, we've been dancing all night. Feel the beat is lifting us off of the ground.
Ah.
Gallery of the memories. So hold on to it. We've been going on and on and on.
We're holding to it like those memories, man. And also, para sa ano, sabi nga ni Pablo, 'di ba? Like, ano sabi niya doon? Sorry.
Underneath the spotlight, we've been dancing all night. Feel the beat is lifting us off of the ground.
You know, yun. So, dancing all night, you know, underneath the starlight. Like the beat of the drum is lifting our feet off the ground. Ibig sabi niya doon? What the hell? Wait, eh.
When I'm with you, with you, with you. Yeah, underneath the spotlight, we've been dancing all night. Feel the beat is lifting us off of the ground.
Yep. I mean, para maging ganun kakasaya na you feel like your feet is lifting, you know, up. Sobrang saya talaga ng memory na yun, kung ganun talaga. I mean, again, this is a metaphor, man. hindi ibig sabihin na lumilipad talaga sila, no? But the feeling is something like that, you know? Parang you're in cloud 9. Yun nga yung sinasabi lang na you're in cloud 9, di ba? Nasa ulap ka. Kasi sobrang saya ng pakiramdam. Fucking writing, man. And also, the feeling, no? Sobrang naano talaga na yung title nito is Memory. That you actually cherish the memory. Sa lyrics na ito, tapos yung title, Memory. Nice.
Gallery of the memories. So hold on to it. We've been going on and on and on.
Hey!
Even when the darkest of days to go. You're the only good that I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind, day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I've ever done. I can't wait to feel.
Yun pala yun. Hindi ko siya pinansin kanina nung unang chorus eh. Kasi mamaya mali lang ako ng pagkakarinig. So mali pala ako ng pagkakarinig. Kasi akala ko, you're the only girl. So you're the only good pala. So, sorry. Buti lang di ako nagsalita agad, no?
Day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I've
Diba?
ever done. I can't wait to feel the world with the memories.
Sabi I can wait to fill the world with memory.
I can't wait to feel the world with the memories. Whenever it gets tough and you are on the low, I make sure that I let you know that you are not alone, not alone. My focus is
Right? Diba? You can actually see this as, you know, a song dedicated to 18. Diba? Lagi mo tandaan na even though na, for example, you're on the place na hindi man ganun kasaya, hindi man ganun kaganda, I'm just letting you know that you're not alone. Man, our music is here for you. You can listen to this. Something like that. But also, I just want to say, you know, Ken and Josh is being highlighted in this song, and I fucking love it.
let you know that you are not alone, not alone. My focus is on you. My focus is on you. Whatever we go through, what we go through, build a gallery of the memories. We be going on and on and on.
Hey!
When the darkest of days to go, you're the only good that I have ever done. 'Cause I really think that you could be the one. Stuck on my mind, day in, day out. When I'm with you, the stars align. You're the only good I ever done. I can't wait to feel the world with the memories.
Let's go. That is a fucking banger. You know? That fucking song is a banger. Like the melody of the song, yung chorus. I'm actually fucking blown away. Kung gaano kaganda yung kantang yun. Nagpapasa siya internationally, man. Hindi pwedeng hindi to tatagos internationally. Like the melody itself, sobrang catchy, no? And I do understand merong mga Tagalog na lyrics dito, but it doesn't matter. Again, music is in general. And I feel like this song, tatagos talaga to, no? Tatagos to. Kahit sang bansa pa yan, tatagos to, man. Next song, Toy Friend. Okay, by the way, I just wanted to know na skip natin yung Visa. Seems like Visa is part of the Wakas sa Simula album. Again, we already listened to the official audio and music video of that. We even reacted to the SB19 vlog, no? In day 1 and day 2, so we don't have to like react to that. But yeah, now finally, man, maririgan natin yung lyrics. Ito song is Toy Friend. This is with Be First, right? Let's go.
You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night? You're crazy rich,
Saan daw?
for the night. You're crazy rich,
You crazy ritual? You're crazy, that's you are? Ano ba?
to play with for the night. You're crazy rich, You are fire, I was smoke. You came over to play, and I didn't.
First line, man. You are fire, I was smoke. Yung sabi niya?
I was smoke.
You are fire, I was smoke. Ganon ka, ganon ka-ignite yung feeling pag magkasama tayong dalawa, no? Hey, that is a fucking wordplay, no? Unang line. God damn it, chill out, Ken. So, joke lang. Iinit agad tayo eh.
You are fire, I was smoke.
That line is fire. Gano'ng karaming fire and hot reference ang kailangan kong or pun ang kailangan kong gawin dito.
You are fire, I was smoke.
Woo! That is fucking heat, man. I'm sorry. Ulit natin.
You are fire, I was smoke. You came over to play, and I didn't stop since you called my name. Couldn't face what I felt.
Ang daw.
Couldn't face what I felt. Daydreaming was right. Now I still keep all our secrets. I see the picture. It's leading me around. Feels like something could go badly wrong.
That vocal run is amazing.
Something could go badly wrong.
Clean.
Imagination took us away. Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night. You're crazy ritual is unpredictable. Following your drama, say you can trust no guy. No, you.
Oh. Okay.
Following your drama, say you can trust no guy. No, you wanna treat me like.
Oh shit. Okay. I thought that the song is about like the title is Toy Friend. I thought, Toy Friend that in yung dalawang tao is just, like friends with benefits, like no string attached setup or scenario. But it's not. It's actually one-sided fucking love, or not exactly one-sided. Yung isa is, a little bit obsessed to the other person, but yung isa is unsure, kung anong gagawin because of the trauma. And man, the song become deeper, man. Akala ko yung surface na kasi because of the tone ng kanta is parang tung tung tung, parang parang ano ba sabihin? Parang medyo sexy yung dating, no? Yung kanta. So, you will assume na the song is just about this friends with benefits, like there's no other layer to it, but seems like it becomes deeper, And seems like the guy, sabi nga ni Ken sa first line is, parang nung tinawag mo yung pangalan ko, sorry, we have to go back.
You are fire, I was smoke.
Ooh. Ayun na.
You came over to play, and I didn't stop since you called my name.
Diba? Kasi yung the way na pagkakakanta ni Ken dito, you came over to play, right? And I cannot stop since you call my name. So it seems like, there's an obsession or a strong feeling na yung like lalaki or babae, doesn't matter, but basta sa situation doon sa isang tao. But then again, on the chorus, I mean, I don't know why I'm so much fucking decoding this, but I'm just shocked na merong das deeper meaning na, again, the other person actually has trauma, so he cannot commit, or she cannot commit. Diba? Ganyan kayo eh. Ganyan kayo. Gusto nyo ng gantong affection, no? No, pagsasama. Pero hindi nyo kayang mag-commit. Ganyan kayo. Because of your past trauma. Gigil, no? Because of your past trauma? Ganun ba? What if I can actually fix you? Anyway.
But I felt daydreaming was alright. Now I still keep all our secrets. I see the picture. It's leading me around. Feels like something could go badly wrong. But the imagination took us away. Tell me why you're giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to play with for the night. Your crazy ritual is unpredictable. Follow me, your drama
unpredictable.
You can trust no guy. No, you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy.
Oh, you wanna treat me like just another toy friend. That's a big. The song becomes sad, man. You have this vibe na parang, ooh, this is fucking groovy. Tapos biglang, wait, what? Pag ganun,
No, you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy friend.
Hey.
Cause I don't wanna be just another toy friend. Cause I don't wanna be just another toy friend. I used to tell all my friends compared to myself. Now this thing is different. I can never really look at me in the eyes and tell them that I'm with a beauty every night.
Oh man. Oh man, I didn't actually expect na magkakaroon tayo ng story, no? Sabi nga dito, I used to tell my friend na parang wala lang, no? Doesn't matter, but now di ko na sila matingnan sa mata. Ano ba yung sabi?
I used to tell all my friends compared to myself. Now this thing is different. I can never really look at me in the eyes. Tell them that I'm with a beauty every night. You throw me to the left, switch it up and then we go right. While you sing,
Throwing me to the left, and then switching up and we go right. Ano sabi?
every night. You throw me to the left, switch it up and then we go right. While you sing,
Unpredictable.
keep it a secret. I see the picture. It's letting me around.
Oh, I feel like this is a song for those people na, pang ano ka lang, pang sikreto. No? Wala kayong label, tapos ikaw, pang sikreto ka lang.
Feels like something could go badly wrong. But our imagination took us away. Tell me why
Pablo.
you're giving me all that on and off. You think I'm just somebody to play with for a night. Your crazy ritual is so predictable.
Hey.
Following your trauma, saying you can trust no guy. And now you wanna treat me like I'm just another.
Not gonna lie, I don't know why, no? Is it gay pag sinabi ko na every time that na si Ken kumakanta ng parang pa-falsetto-ish, no? Is fucking sexy?
To play with for a night. Your crazy ritual is so predictable. Following your trauma, saying you can trust no guy. And now you wanna treat me like
I just wanna see. Maybe,
It's a ritual. It's so predictable. Following your trauma, saying you can trust no guy. And now you want.
you can trust. Ooh, the octave jump, no? Parang, like, in a falsetto, tas octave jump na, you can trust, no? Hindi ko kaya, no? No, guy. Like, oh, man.
You think I'm just somebody to pay for a night. You're crazy ritual. You're so predictable. Following.
Is this fucking Stell? Mas, maybe, how to pronounce, but, kasi kanina kay Pablo, you're crazy that you are. Akala ko yun eh. Pero ngayon, mas malinaw na you're crazy ritual, right? Ritual?
You think I'm just somebody to pay for a night.
Sino ba itong kanta? I'm actually confused. Nakalimutan ko be first pala dito. Sorry guys. Hindi ko kasi hindi ko pa kabisado yung boses ng, I mean, for those, a fan of Be First. I don't know if you are watching this. I mean, most of the things that I'm saying in here is in Filipino and Tagalog. But just in case that someone actually watched this, that is a fan of Be First, I don't want to apologize. Don't actually, I'm not familiar with their voices yet, and I don't know them, like, their names, something like that. So I do want to apologize, but I don't know if this is a member of Be First, because definitely this is not Pablo. I mean, again, I'm referencing this at the start of when Pablo says that you're crazy, ritual, or that you are, but now it's more clearer. Maybe it's because of how the pronunciation, but it's clear now that it's ritual. But I'm actually not sure about that. I am not sure. Don't take my word for it. I don't know if you guys already know the lyrics of this, because it seems like we don't actually have a caption or a subtitle in here, so we cannot actually enable anything. So you cannot take my word that it's a ritual if you guys don't know the lyrics yet. But yeah, it sounds like ritual now.
You think I'm just somebody to pay for a night. You're crazy ritual.
Right? The pronunciation of ritual is like, you can actually hear it that it's ritual.
It's so predictable. Following your trauma, saying you can trust no guy. And now you wanna treat me like I'm just another toy friend. Open up and
gusto mo yung pom 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 pom? Ano mo yun?
it's ugly either way. But open up and I can give you everything you're looking for.
Pasikat ka na. Stel, pasikat ka na, ha? But again, sabi ni Stel doon na parang, like, open up to me, like, parang, because, again, even if not, pinuturing ka niya as a toy friend, but you're almost obsessed with the person. It doesn't matter if it's ugly, just try. Can you please try? I know you have trauma, but I can fix you. Can we try? Parang ganon, parang desperation. And the way na kinanta yun ni Stel is we can feel the emotion in a fucking groovy song, by the way. In a groovy song, we have an emotion in a groovy song.
It's ugly either way, but open up and I can give you everything you're looking for. You think I'm just somebody to baby for you're crazy ritual. It's unpredictable. Following your trauma, saying you can trust no guy. You wanna treat me like I'm just another toy friend. Get it?
yun? Yung parang at the background is basically like begging na, come on, we can try, you know? We don't have to hide, we can try. Diba? Like, nice. That's fucking great, man.
Cause I don't wanna be another toy friend. Try me, we're not gonna keep on hiding.
Sabi niya, try me? Ano yung sabi niya doon? I mean, I'm fucking on point with my fucking, ano dito, na magkakaintin ni Santa. What the hell?
Another toy friend. Try me, we're not
Right?
gonna keep on hiding. I'm trying to
We're not gonna...
cause I don't wanna be just another toy friend.
Damn. Again, that is Toy Friend. SB19, Be First. Man, that is a groovy at the same time sad song. I don't know how to feel, man. Gusto ko sumayaw sa kanta, but the meaning is like, oh, man. Parang sumasayaw ko, pero, wait, what? What? The song is fucking groovy, but, what? Ganong ano. Anyway, awesome song, man. Awesome collaboration. Next song. What's the next song? Next song is Ever Black. Okay. Okay. By the way, before we start, itong bit na to, no, itong simula is parang napaka-delikado na parang ominous eh. But I just want to say, maybe you guys are wondering because this most probably I'm going to do it, no, na meron tayong cut every song is because I don't actually have a premium right now in YouTube. Not because hindi natin kaya mag-premium now, it's $189, but nakakonect siya sa GCash, no, and walang laman yung GCash ko, no, walang laman yung GCash ko, and I don't have time, no, para mag-cash in and to actually have, you know, put money on my GCash and to wait para lang makareact. But I'm excited na ako, no, excited na ako. So I don't want to pause my cut. I'm gonna show you what happened, no, nung pag hindi ako nag-cut like this. Diba? Hindi ka aya-aya. But anyway. What is this? Ever Black. You know what? I don't actually know the meaning of Ever Black. You know? I don't know the meaning of Ever Black. I'm sorry. Let me search it. Ever Black. Before we start, I just want to know what's the meaning of Ever Black. Just the word itself. It says in here that Ever Black primarily refers to an, as identified by Wiktionary, unaccountable, representing a desolate environment without any source of light, such as that found in deep space. Like ever black, like actual fucking black. Like blacker than black, ganun ba? Ever black. Ever black. Constant darkness, ganun ba? Okay, sure. I'm sorry, there's a stupid rat? Because I smell a stupid rat? Stupid rat, diba? Stupid rap. Because I smell a stupid rap?
I'm not sure buddy gon' feel me.
By the way, Pablo, no, gantong flow. Parang first time ko narinig si Pablo ng gantong flow na parang napakadelikado, no? Napakadelikado. But also, sabi niya doon, stop sleeping on me like a cold day.
turn the heat up and
So we turned the heat up like a cold day, and then we turned the heat up. Stop sleeping on me like a cold day, because again, every time na malamig gusto mong matulog, no? But at the same time, he's referring to those people na tinutulugan nila si Pablo or tinutulugan nila yung SB19 kahit na fucking SB19 is fucking grinding and fucking raising the bar, no, pagdating sa rap and music, but they're sleeping on me like a cold day. So we turned the heat up. That's fucking nasty. Disgusting line, man. Stop sleeping on me like a cold day. Let's just hit it up. Sorry.
sleeping on me like a cold day. So I turn the heat up and I'm sure buddy gon' feel me. Shit, look, let my drip top like H from that movie. Matter of fact, all this room so heavy, gon' take all the bitches to mold me. Now the
I cannot believe Pablo is fucking talking his shit, man. He's on flexing bag. It's about damn fucking time, no? Nagbuhat ng bangko si Pablo kasi karapat-dapat naman napakatagal na. Napakatagal na nagpapakumbaba. Ito sinasabi ko again, marami sa inyo nagkasabi na again, mabait kayong SB19, but that's the reason why I'm here. Di ba? Ako ang magyayabang. Di ba? Ako na ang magyayabang para sa kanila, no? Kasi again, I know this is a song, so hindi talaga lahat ito sinasabi in real life. So, pinaparating nila yung gusto nang sabihin in a form of a song because that's their art. But in real life, they cannot actually say this, no? In front of someone. Hindi naman talaga nila gusto makasakit. But of course, they wanna, pour their feelings in the song. Pero sabi niya doon,
so I turn the heat up and I'm sure buddy gon' feel me. Shit, look, let my drip top like H from that movie. Matter of fact, all this room so heavy, gon' take all the bitches to mold me.
oh, these chromes are heavy. It's, it take, parang, it, fucking hell.
Let my drip top like H from that movie. Matter of fact, all this room so heavy, gon' take all the bitches to
It's gonna take a little bit, just to move me. Like, because my chromes is heavy. It take a little bit to move me. But at the same time, it's a metaphor na, parang, sobrang angas ko, yung aura ko, sobrang galing ko. Di mo kayang alugin. Parang gano'n, di ba? Kumbaga sa street pa, di mo kayang angasan, di ba? Angasan mo ako, di mo kayang alugin, man. Dito lang ako, I'm staying fucking 10 toes, man. Sa lupa, di mo kayang alugin, no? Ganon, kaya bang.
Let my drip top like H from that movie. Matter of fact, all this room so heavy, gon' take all the bitches to mold me. Now
Ooh, I cannot fucking expect na marinig ko kay Pablo to, no? I cannot expect, man.
from that movie. Matter of fact, all this room so heavy, gon' take all the bitches to mold me.
Run it back.
Top like H from that movie. Matter of fact, all this room so heavy, gon' take all the bitches to mold me. Now names so clean, you will slip if you step where I step. Names so loud, they gon' mute when I walk, no respect.
Hindi ko actually narinig. Ang angas lang ng flow ulit natin. Hindi ko narinig. Okay, masyado sa reaction eh.
You will slip if you step where I step. Names so loud, they gon' mute when I walk, no respect.
Oh, name so loud, they go mute.
You will slip if you step where I step. Names so loud, they gon' mute when I walk, no respect.
Ooh, name so loud, they gone mute. When I walk in, no respect.
You will slip if you step where I step. Names so loud, they gon' mute when I walk, no respect. Say you're sick, that I'm my doctor, move, silly, you won't get checked. When they go
Ooh, Dr. Josh on the verse, man. Say you're sick. Say you're sick, I'm the doctor. I'm the fucking doctor, man. You're sick? Oh, okay. I am the doctor.
when I walk, no respect. Say you're sick, that I'm my doctor, move, silly, you won't get checked. When they go
You get check at the same time you get fucking checkmate.
when I walk, no respect. Say
I'm fucking hyped, man. I'm fucking happy na ganito sila kayabang sa sa track na to, man. It's about fucking damn time.
you're sick, that I'm my doctor, move, silly, you won't get checked. When they go toe, I bet.
promise you can't come romance. No.
Ah.
Bigger than you, we go. Just me, you and I with the Valentino.
Hey,
Big black on it, figures. All the
Just-
shit that my show. Cameras on me, flash
Justin?
mode. Get the pedal on the drive. Only passing in the time.
moving faster than the time. It's fucking true, no? Di mo na alam kung gaano sila kabilis ngayon eh, no? I don't even know where they find the time to like fucking record this. Maybe nasulat na nila to during simula at wakas pa lang, no? Most probably, di ba? Nakalatag na, planado na lahat, but I don't know, maybe they already recorded this at the same time of simula at wakas, we don't know, but if not, I don't fucking know. Basta sila nakahanap ng oras. Ganun sila kabilis, man. Ganun sila kasi ka-efficient sa paggalaw every time.
Big black on it, figures. All the shit that my show. Cameras on me, flash mode. Get the pedal on the drive. Only passing in the time.
Ah.
Forget the birds, I'm catching flies. All this flash just made me blind. Yeah.
Oh, I cannot believe all these flashes makes me blind, diba? Like, again, all these flashes now makes you blind, but at the same time, like the flash of the camera, the paparazzi makes me blind because I'm that famous now. Anyway.
This is bad, chasing head, 'cause I smell a
Stupid.
rain. I ain't mad, get the bag, better run it, ever play. Get the bag, better run it, ever play. Get the bag, better run it, ever play. Run it, ever play.
Damn. Pinawisan ako sa kantang to. Like, come on, no? Nagbabaskil na ako. I'm fucking sweating.
Black tee, black jeans, black tint vibe, make 'em go insane like make the room dark as soon as I step inside. Bro, the hook go certified, round me short is my time. Move ass get started when I put the chromes on straight fire. Rock and roll with a rockstar man, it's taking over, I felt right.
Just a drip, not satisfied. If it don't lick, then it's not a vibe. Won't get the hype, just come outside, let's make it rain so we feel alive.
You don't relate, it's not a vibe.
If it don't lick, then it's not a vibe. Won't get the hype, just come outside, let's make it rain so we feel alive. I'm bigger than you, we go. Just me, you and I with the Valentino.
Hey.
Big black on it, figures. All the shit that my show. Cameras on me, flash mode. Get the pedal on the drive.
Hey.
Only passing in the time. Forget the birds, I'm catching flies. All this flash just made
Forget the breaks, we're catching flights, eh ba?
Forget the birds, I'm catching flies. All this flash just made me blind. Yeah.
Hey.
This is bad, chasing head, 'cause I smell a stupid rain. I ain't mad, get the bag, better run it, ever play. Get the bag, better run it, ever play.
Hey. Hey.
Get the bag, better run it, ever play. Run it, ever play.
God damn. It's fucking ever black, man. Oh,
Bear Brand 1.21.
I told you. I told you to a Bear Brand. Next song is Emoji.
I pop it. To me what you try to get it, to me what you try to get it, to me
Who the fuck is this?
what you try pop it. I pop it. To me what you try to get it, to me what you try to get it, to me what you try to get it, to me what you try to get it.
I wake up, I log in, lights hit my face and I'm in. Get the neon skin, I'm glowing. Keep it cute, keep it exciting.
Hey.
Cover for a messy place. What's in my mind cannot be traced. And I won't say much, just guess your face. Two thumbs up, send hearts like this in a
Tap, swipe, swipe, pause. Slash post, then I'll pause. Trend,
Woo-hoo.
this in a
tap, swipe, swipe, pause. Slash post, then I'll pause. Trending, fingers crossed.
I don't really mind cause it ain't my loss.
I'm living like a villain and I'm killing like a boss. Game time,
Nah.
tago and I'm feelings in my whole side. Emoji, what's a minute, go read between the lines.
Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonderwall. Don't really care, I'm
Oh, this is fucking Justin?
don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful.
Hey, hey.
Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. I'm beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true. True?
Ah, okay. I'm actually thinking na yun yung meaning. So, I guess we're talking about emoji. Kaya sabi nga nila, like Pablo and Sel getting ready, you know, like, parang, paano ba sabihin to? Like, in front of, like, in public and in camera, like, you're doing this emotion, like an emoji, but mask on, mask off. Nice. You cannot, you know, tell the truth.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true.
Eh?
Ain't that what we all do? But hey, I'm talking to you.
Hey, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Mask on, mask off. I'm talking to you.
I kinda like the feel, distorting things I feel. Emoji knows the drill. I fake it 'cause it's real. That everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill.
Oh, is this a song for like those trolls na nakukunwaring mga 18 pero like parang ano sila, no? Parang mga anay, no? Sinisira ka pa ilalim. What the hell? Hindi naman talaga totoong 18.
Too many what you try to get it. Too many what. Too many what you try to get it.
What the hell is this? Wait. Jolene? 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 Jolene, Jolene.
Too many what you try to get it. Too many what. Too many what you try to get it. Too many what. Too many what you try to get it. Too many what. Too many what you try to get it. Too many what. Too many what you try to get it. Too many what. Too many what you try to
Zoom
Beat is
in,
great.
post at me what you see. Subtext load to guess who it could be. Tag yourself, unzip the T. Set the face, yeah, play the role. Digital good it on solid gold. Tap, tap, refresh on the reason you scroll. Stay with your chest, don't type LL. If you want the real thing, you gotta be bold. If you read my emojis, read the whole. I'm a filter queen with a private soul.
I'm a filtered queen, but now? Wait lang.
Gotta be bold. If you read my emojis, read the whole. I'm a filter queen with a private soul.
Private soul.
Yeah. I'm a filter queen with a private
But I'm the reason why you're scrolling.
soul.
Don't wanna be a vulnerable. See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful.
I don't want to be vulnerable. See, I build this wonder wall, like, you know, this wonder wall na parang to protect my vulnerability.
Wanna be a vulnerable.
Why do we have this fucking layer of sadness sa mga napakaangas na what are we doing here? You're playing with my feelings.
See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful. Don't wanna be a vulnerable.
Hey.
See now I built this wonder wall. Don't really care, I'm beautiful.
I'm beautiful.
Mask on, no mask off, no telling what's true.
Hey,
Ain't that what we all do? But
Hey, I'm talking to you. I kinda like the thrill, distorting things I felt. Emoji knows the drill. Get that? I
Nice.
think because it's real, that everybody's ill. Emoji knows the drill. Dead ass.
hey, gusto mo yun? Na parang anthem the thing. Sorry. I cannot fucking understand. What the hell? I didn't actually get that. Anyway, so let's wait for the lyrics. Sabi, emojifying life?
goddamn.
Oh, Bro, the fucking layer vocals sa magkabilaan tenga mo is fucking eargasm, man. Hey. I'm faking it because it's real. Like, it could be a slap dun sa mga tao nagsasabi na, fake yan sila. Ganyan yan, yung mga ganyan pinapakita nila mali. Diba? But I'm faking. Okay, I'm faking because it's real. I mean, it could be I'm faking because it's real. Or, I'm faking itong fake na to, it's real. Like, oh man, you can there's actually a layer for that. Hey. Tell me what you Hey, let's go. Okay. Next song we have Wakas, man. Okay, that vibe. Oh, are we going to have another fucking classic ballad? Dadagdag na naman ba ito sa mga ballads nila?
Di ko na makita pa ang liwanag na dati malaya. Patuloy lang sa paglakad ang aking mga paa, panatag na kailanman di ako mag-isa. Ngunit unti-unting kumumpas lahat ng kulay.
I'm sorry, I don't want to pause, no? Because it's a ballad song, but I just want to say, patawarin niyo ako, no? I just want to say, ballad is it's for Justin, man. It's for Justin. I'm actually getting goosebumps pagpasok ni Justin.
Ako mag-isa, ngunit unti-unting kumumpas lahat ng kulay. Naglaho ang sigla ng dating punong-puno ng buhay. Kinabukasan man ay walang patunay. Umaasa na hindi ka pa mawawala. Kung lahat may hanggan, pwede bang wag mo na kung bitawan? Di ba't kung mahalaga, di mo hahayaang bawalan ng basta? Alam kong pagod ka na. At nandito pa rin ako sa paraiso. Pinangako na sabay nating binuo. Huwag nating iyaang gumuho. Bawat minuto at segundo ibibigay ko ang lahat. Oh, hayaan mo na munang akong pumasa ng iyong bigat. Ng bigat. Unti-unting kumumpas lahat ng kulay. Naglaho ang sigla ng dating punong-puno ng buhay. Kinabukasan man ay walang patunay. Umaasa pa hindi ka.
Let's fucking go, Josh. Hindi ko na kayang tiisin. So ko yung post ko salita. I wanna yap. Man, Josh, I'm fucking so proud of you. I'm so proud of you, Josh. I know I already say this na Josh is all-rounder, but I'm being honest in here based on, what I see. Josh is isa sa mga pinaka member ng S90 na medyo hindi siya ganoon kagaling in the vocal department. No, you know, he can sing, but not actually like a ballad Stel or Ken, Pablo, Justin level. But I just want to say he fucking improved, man. He fucking improved. Ginagawa niyang bulletproof yung ano niya, no, talent niya. I'm fucking proud of you, man.
Pas lahat ng kulay, naglaho ang sigla ng dating punong-puno ng buhay. Kinabukasan man ay walang patunay, umaasa pa hindi ka basta mawawala.
I'm fucking blown away. Oh man. I'm sorry.
Kung lahat may hanggan, pwede bang huwag mo na akong bitawan? Di ba't kung mahalaga, di mo hayaang mawala ng basta? Alam kong pagod ka na. Kung lahat may hanggan, pakiusap huwag mo kong subuan. Di ba pwedeng balikan ang mga pangako sa ating nakaraan? Iyo bang nalimutan? Di ko na alam kung anong gagawin kung para saan pa ang aking mga hiling. Ang layo-layo na rin nating narating at para mag-isa't ako na lang. Wala ba talaga kinabukasan ng mga sinimulan? Ayoko na mapagsisihan na lahat ito na ang lahat may hanggan.
Fuck.
Walang saysay ang patuloy lumaban. Di ba para kang tanga kung isasalba mo pa rin na wala na? Alam kong ubos ka na.
Oh man.
Kung lahat may hanggan, pakiusap huwag mo kung subuan. Di na ba mahalaga mga binitawan nating salita? Ako man ay pamunta. Ito nga bang simula't wakas ng mga bagay-bagay na pinaghirapan matatapos?
They fucking, oh man, I'm fucking getting goosebumps over and over. They really know how to like play, their cards in terms of kung sino yung papakantahin nila. Like they always do this. They do this in time as well, diba? Like Biret ni Stel, tapos baba lahat ng instrument and then si Ken. They fucking, they know how to play this, man. I don't want to say this, but because there's a lot of ballads of SP19 that fucking love, man, fucking love. But I don't know if this is in Sibayas, but this is the most beautiful ballad na narinig ko, no. So dahil doon, this is the best ballad na meron ng SP19. I don't fucking care, man. Sabihin nyo recent Sibayas, no? Sabihin nyo na mas biased nyo yung gantong kanta nila. I know there's a lot of fucking powerhouse na ballad sa pagtatag. But, oh man!
Ito nga bang simula't wakas ng mga bagay-bagay na pinaghirapan matatapos na lang ba sa paalam?
Ito nga bang simula at wakas ng lahat ng pangarap nating nilaban? Huwag mong kalimutan ang aking pangalan.
Oh man, you guys making me sad. Tapos meron tayong, ano to, Tank of Wars pa to? World of Tanks na ano, no? But anyway, oh man, I'm sad now. You're playing with my emotions, guys. Kanina meron tayong, ano eh, fucking emoji, no? Tapos wakas. Mababaliw ka sa SV19, no? Katagalan, no? Mababaliw ka sa SV19. A fucking amazing song. A fucking amazing song. As much as I love na yung mga rapping and yung mga flexing, but a fucking good ballad is hindi talaga matatalo, no? Like yung emotion na bibigay sa'yo ng magandang ballad, man. Favorite song. Hands down, man. Favorite song dito sa album na to. Kung meron pang aangat dito, I don't know kung ano pa, man. I don't know kung ano pa. The next song, we have what? We have what? We have what? Is this what? Is this what, right? This is what? What? What is happening? This is what, right? Wasa simula, what?
Nagsimula na ngayon ay pala.
Oh, no fucking way. They did nire-record ba nila to? Because that is na, yung pasok na ito nagsimula na, ano lang eh, single, like, ano lang, no, hindi siya layered voice, but dito hindi eh, merong ano.
Nagsimula
Right?
na ngayon ay balak ko nang ito'y tapusin.
Fucking different arrangement. You guys are fucking kidding, right?
Di ibig sabihin pag to'y tinapos ako'y hinto na rin.
The way na yung pagbibigkas na ng salita. This is fucking re-record, man. Hindi to yung original audio. Dito yung original na na vocals, man. Bago to. I fucking bet you bago to.
Nagsimula na ngayon ay balak ko nang ito'y tapusin.
Nagsimula na pero wala na akong yun yung original, di ba? Pero ngayon ay balak ko nang tapusin because it's wasa simula. Fucking pagsibo lang simula nitong lahat, right?
Mula na ngayon ay balak ko nang ito'y tapusin. Di ibig sabihin pag to'y tinapos ako'y hinto na rin. Alam ko na sinabi ko dati na di ako magaling. I got this to all of you, please wake up, witness the best.
Lahat ng aking basura bubulutin laging dala.
Okay, go.
Kahit saan pa ako mapunta, labas sa lupa aking mga daan.
Hiwaga bawat nakasarang.
I'm fucking happy, man. They re-record the song. Ooh, Simon Servida.
Bintana sa akin dati lahat ngayon'y nagbubukas. Daming sako na di ko ininda, dito na ako sa wakas. What?
Di na para iangat ang bandera. Para nasa puso niyo na ang tatama.
Bang! Amo! Sala! Matati ko ang agiman. Bawat! Para! Iwag-iwag mo ang tawad.
Oh, they still put the vinyl scratcher, no? Yung, I love that. Buti nila tinanggal yun.
Matawad, di na magpapa. Paawat, iwawag kay bayang matawad.
Here comes Josh. Let's go. Let's see.
Paawat, iwawag kay bayang matawad.
Here comes Josh. Fucking excited, man.
Pare-pares lang tayo may pagkakaiba, diba? Ika nila, ibang mundo nakikita
Oh.
niya. Mabuting iba, di gaya nila. Pikit ang mata, ang tama wala. Ha? 20-20,
20. 2020, diba? Paulit-ulit, 20 plus 20 for the years 2020. I don't know why I'm breaking down this again, but fucking amazing. Verse by Josh. Wala pa nga, pero of course, ano nating lyrics. But, oh, man.
nila. Pikit ang mata, ang tama wala. Ha? 20-20, paulit-ulit, intelihente. Subalit,
Ulit-ulit.
ngunit sa galente. Pinunit-punit, hinunod ang dalagang baka sinit.
Lahat ng aking basura
Oh, ding, 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 ding.
Hinunod ang dalagang baka sinit.
Lahat ng aking basura pupulutin laging dala. Kahit saan pa ako mapunta, labas sa lupa aking alam mo na.
Paniwala, darating ang mga biyaya. Higit pa sa lahat ng nawala.
Hey.
Damsa ko na di
Medyo mas higher pitch yung part na yun ni Stel. Isa sa original.
lahat ng nawala. Damsa ko na di ko inidan. Di titigil hanggang sa wakas. What?
Di na para yaman ang bandera. Para nasa puso niyo na ang tatama.
Amor, sana, matating mo ang agiban. Power, banner, ibagay mo wag tawag. Wag, 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 wag tawag. Wag, 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 wag tawag. Di na magpapa, paawat, iwawag kay wayang watawad.
Oh, are we going to have a different dance break beat? Please. We have this fucking like alarm. Trumpet, no? Trumpet by Jason Derulo. Let's fucking go! Nababaliw na ako dito. Fucking hell! Hey! Oh. Fucking orgasm, man!
Huwag niyong sabihin sa'kin kung
Here we go. Here we go. My favorite line from Justin.
anong aking dapat gawin. Di naman kayo natutong makinig.
Sa mandali ng hangin ng aking lagit suot pa rin di magpapanggap na ko pero hindi.
Dami sakto na di ko inindahan, di ko na ako sa wagas.
Tapusin!
Bala, para iangat ang bandera. Para nasa
Puso niyo na ang tatama. Di na bala para iangat ang
Crispy
bandera.
beat.
Bala nasa puso niyo na ang tatama. Amor, sala, di ko ang agiban. Ibagay mo watawag. Di na bala para iangat ang bandera. Bala nasa puso niyo na ang tatama. Amor,
Sala.
di ko ang agiban.
Stel is going crazy, you know? Stel is fucking going crazy.
Bala, ibagay mo watawag. Di na magpapa, paawat, iwawag kay wayang watawad.
go, man. Let's go. That's fucking amazing. We have Mappa, guys. We have fucking Mappa Wakas at Simula version. How can you fucking rearrange or like new arrangement? Paano mo papapagandahin ang isang kanta na it's already a peak song? Like how? Man?
Mama, kamusta na di na? Tayo laging nakikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami yung nauuna, ngayon naman ikaw na muna, akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata, sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama, pahinga muna, ako na. La tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara.
Oh, the song feels grand now, no? Shit.
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, diba? Aking
Wait.
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, diba?
Wait.
Nung ako'y bata pa, diba? Aking puso. Nung Papa, naaalala mo pa ba?
We have like fucking humming. Akala ko imagination ko lang, no? Ilang beses kong inulit to. I mean, ikakat ko na lang, no? Kasi don't want you to see me like fucking listening to it like fucking 100 times. But there's a fucking humming at the background. Like we have this. I don't understand. It's a chorus. It makes it feels grand, but there's a subtle humming at the background sa verse ni.
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Papa, na
Is that in the original? Wait. I don't fucking actually know. I don't want to search the original song, but comment down below if you narinig yun na narinig ko. Fucking may multo lang dito sa bahay, no?
Papa, naaalala mo pa ba? Nung ako'y bata pa, diba? Aking puso'y iyong hinanda sa mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ang iyong bawat payo, at hanggang sa dulo, magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo, pangako tatay ko.
Oh, sorry for closing.
Sa tuwing ako'y gagapan na ang dahilan ng aking paghinga.
Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong matatana, pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, papa, pahinga muna, ako na. La tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara, la tara-tara-tara, la tara-tara.
Di ko na
Oh, yeah.
sasayangin pang mga natitirang paghinga. Tutungo na kung saan naroon ang mahalaga.
You will hear that the production is much fucking better aside from the new instrumental. na na-introduce sa kantang to. The production is fucking amazing, by the way. Fucking mind-blowing, no?
Tungo na kung saan naroon ng mahalaga. Kahit na kailan pa may di mawag, wala pagkatala kung mapa. Saan man mapunta lang kung saan nagmula.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana. Pahinga muna, ako na.
Huwag mag-alala, ipikit ang iyong mata, tana. Pahinga muna, ako nang mahalas pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mapa. Pahinga muna, ako na. Latsara-tsara, 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 latsara-tsara.
This is fucking eargasm, man.
Pahinga muna, ako na.
Ooh, the Latara lovers out there. Sobrang saya nyo siguro, no? Lalo na sa mga, itong kanta to is dinededicate talaga nila sa mga magulang nila. Man, the peak. Yung 100% ginawa nyo, 200%. God fucking damn it, man. How? Mana? It's about fucking time, no? Na pabigyan ng pagmamahal ang Mana. Yung pag-aantay natin sa music video hanggang ngayon, wala pa. But at least, no? At least we have Mana now sa wakas simula. Malay mo, magkaroon ng music video, di ba?
Hindi ba may waga, di mo kilala nung
Oh, man. The beat is fucking different, man.
Hindi ba may waga, di mo kilala nung nasa lupa pa. Di walang alaalay, kayo nang umusta, basta ko sa kwenta.
I'm sorry, is this Simon Servida? Is this still Simon Servida? Simon fucking he fucking did it again. Simon Servida fucking did it again.
Di walang alaalay, kayo nang umusta, basta ko sa kwenta.
Ngayon nasa lapap, nakita ko ay nagbago na.
Ba ako namimiss so ay, naroon mabalik ko miss
Miss na ako, yeah.
Bakit nga ba ganito?
Di ko maintindihan ang sinasabi mo.
Magayabang mundo. Sa akin ay hindi problema kung di nyo pa rin nakikita. Tinataglay ko ang biyaya, hindi nyo maikakila. Manananggal, 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 Langit, lupa, magsasama basta ba maniwala. Di man kita, tunay na hala.
Ooh, you hear that fucking distorted like voice, like a filter, the vocal, na parang demon or something. Ooh, that's a nice touch.
Langit, lupa, magsasama basta ba maniwala. Di man kita, tunay na halaga ng aking biyaya. Manananggal, manananggal, manananggal.
Hey. Hey. Nice.
Di ko na marinig sinasabi nyo, di na nga umaabot dito sa kinalalagyan ko. Iiba ng katabi kong aeroplano, agad turbo, turning on the nitro. Sumpa palayo, di nahihinto.
Oh man. adding that layer of vocal na medyo parang like yung lower pitch is fucking made this song 10 times better because of, again, the vibe na gusto lang iparating dito. Again, we actually watch Simon Cerveda make the beat for this, and god damn, this is the final form ni Cell, no? Ito yung yung final form ni Cell sa Cell ano ba to? Cell tournament. Hey, we have a different ad-lib as well.
Problema kung di nyo pa rin nakikita. Tinataglay ko ang biyayang hindi
I mean, you know, this line of
nyo pa rin nakikita. Tinataglay ko ang biyayang
itong line ni na to, ni Justin na to, na kung di nyo pa rin nakikita, man, nataglay kong biyaya, like, it's fucking hitting, no? Lalo na ngayon na fucking, it's been what? Fucking couple of years now. Pero hindi nyo pa rin nakikita yung tinataglay kong biyaya. I mean, siguro the first time, maybe, no? Hindi nyo pa alam. Diba? Discover nyo pa lang, tinitest nyo pa lang. But now, still? Manananggal. Oh.
Aswang, di ka kinakatakutan. Puwede ko muna lang. Sige, huwag mong subukan. Sige lang, sige, huwag lang pakatuluan. Di ka kinakatakutan. Puwede ko muna lang. Sige, huwag mong subukan. Sige lang, sige lang.
Oh, fucking Homecoming is gonna be crazy. Homecoming is gonna be crazy. Yo! Yo! Just imagine a new choreography. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, man. Oh, man. Lana, boy. God damn. Kaya nyo ba? Kaya nyo ba? Fucking Bazinga? Fucking Bazinga? What are we doing here? What the fuck are we doing here?
Every day, I think the Lord gets heaven. Throw it away. The world alone's not standing. Is there a way to break the curse and stop this?
Going home, then I'll cry alone. Don't you worry, soon I'll be gone.
Like Bazinga, hey, you ain't gasolina. Yeah, I'm firing God. Yeah, you two turn up the heat and I'll burn your till I be proud on what time moves. They say it hot time, but killer, I'm killing your buzz to get the hell out. Who's the boss now? I just turned the world upside down. know y'all can't quit thinking cause you won't know how. That it bounce like a kick right how. Yeah, don't you see, this is my
man.
legacy. Now how you gonna get to me, when I get the almighty with me, the bippity boppity. Every day I think
Oh man, the new arrangement is killing me. God damn.
look gets heavy, throw it away, the world alone time steady. Stairway to break the curse and stop this now. Go throw a stone, it might break a bone, but be wary because I won't condone.
Oh. Yung vocal ni Ken is mas angat dito, no? Is sa original.
Because I won't condone.
Turn up.
Bruce, be proud of what I moves. They stagger what I bust. Killer, I'm killing your bus to get the hell out.
They fucking improve yung vocal, no? Yung kung paano yung quality ng vocal niya sa original. They actually improve that as well.
They stagger what I bust. Killer,
Right? Diba? Mas isaga, wata! Parang ano na, no? Mas parang kalat na siya. No? Parang mas kalat na siya sa ano mo, pandinig mo.
I'm killing your bus.
Kasi pa nakikinig ka, diba? Like, you can hear the music and the beat. Like, for example, naka-earphone ka sa gitna, diba? Sa gitna. So, sobrang, mapapansin mo po mayroong mga adlib sa gilid, maririnig mo sa magkabilaan. But there are also times na yung wide yung tunog. Like this. This is the fucking perfect sample.
They stagger what I bust.
Right, diba? Ano?
Bus to get the hell out.
Wide yung tunog.
Look at you, look at you. Look at you, look at you. Look at you, pick-a-boo, pick-a-bo-bo. I'ma beat you if I never did a learn kung fu. 1-2 punch, you're lucky cause I ever didn't how to say that too. Not a mob, just a psycho, I'ma keep it low. Cause you know that I ain't the one that they get the double low. Let me get this straight, just got a few more words to say. The verbality, I answer love enough to say. Clear.
Bakit ba hiligin mamuna? Masakit na sa tenga pag nagbara. Kalalalahat pa nabuba. Lahat ng mga pambihirang natamasa. Nagpapasensya.
Last time I thought
Nakangat na yung vocal ni Ken.
told you that I'm always ready. Come on and test me, you know nothing's gonna stop me. Bring it all out now. All doors are closed and no line to fall, so I'll break the dawn in my home. Bazinga, hey, 너희가 쏠린다, yeah. I'm faalinga, yeah. You two turn up the heat and I'll burn your till I die. Be proud of what I moves. They stagger what I bust. Killer, I'm killing your bus to get the hell out.
Oh man. March pa lang, man, but it feels like fucking Christmas.
Look at you, look at you.
Alam mo yung feeling ng nostalgia and ng brand new? Like, that two feelings na dalawang pakiramdam na yun na pinagsama mo.
Look at you, look at you. Look at you, look at you. Look at you, look at you.
Damn. Alright, next one that we have is Ikako, man. Like, all the fucking classic song, no? Binalik nila dito, like, from Pagsibol, right? Like, oh my fucking God, pagwakas at simula. Like, simula. God fucking damn it, man. Like, God fucking damn it. Oh, the order as well. Like, wakas at simula. Like, yung order nitong mga kantang to is yung lahat ng kanta nila bago nilang kanta sa wakas, and then yung next na order is simula. Lahat ng kanta nila sa simula. Like, God fucking damn it, man. Itong limang to, no? Everything that they do, they actually plan it, no? Walang coincidence, no? Walang hindi sinasadya. Lahat pinlano nila. Fucking hell. We have new arrangement of Ikako as well. Do you guys remember ng You guys remember nung nilabas nung kantang to? I mean, I'm not around during that time, no? But of course, most probably a lot of you is 18 na, and I know we all know that those dark days and times, no? Dark days.
Pagkising sa umaga'y tinig mo ang paboritong imig. Di naman siguro to isang panaginip. Pinagdarasal para
They
di
fucking re-record all of this,
kalikasan mo't
no?
mapawi. Ang lungkot sa iyong mata di na luluha pang muli. Panahon may nagdidilim, liwanag ay sisikat din. Sabay nating haharapin. Takot sa puso'y alisin, lahat ng to'y lilipas din. Walang pagsubok na di.
And also, I just want to say, no, ako, itong kanta nila to is, if you, I don't know if I remember actually correctly, but the definitely the quality of the production is fucking 100% better dito, no? Kasi I assume during this time, ni-record nila yun as during quarantine, no? So, hindi siya ganun ka-quality, 100% yung vocals doon. But here, fucking crispy, man. Crispy.
Ibig ko lang ipahiwatig na basta may pag-ibig sa puso natin mawawagi.
Mawawagi, mararating. Akala ko mararating eh. Mawawagi pala.
Sigurado, babangon tayo. Kayang lahat, ikaw at ako. Huwag kang susuko, magkasama tayo. Hanggang sa dulo, ikaw at ako. Ang dami-dami na nating pinagdaanan noon. Power markay, tanda na higit na mas matatag na tayo ngayon. Tindi na ngalo, kahapon
Wait. What?
ang dami-dami na nating pinagdaanan noon. Power markay, tanda na higit na mas matatag na tayo ngayon. Tindi na ngalo, kahapon wala yun. Pagbangon tayo pagdayon. Yeah.
Oh man, the fucking rhyme scheme is fucking crazy. Yon is oh man, what the fuck? What the fuck? Meron ng rap to kaya?
Dami-dami na nating pinagdaanan noon.
Noon.
Power markay, tanda na higit na mas matatag na tayo ngayon.
Oh man, kung paano niya hinold yung fucking hard to explain. Kung paano niya hinold yung syllable na para magtugma yung rhyming do sa yon, non. Ah man.
Pinagdaanan noon. Power markay, tanda na higit na mas matatag na tayo ngayon. Tindi na ngalo, kahapon wala yun. Pagbangon tayo pagdayon. Yeah.
Ah.
At sinong nagsabing buhay magiging madali? Sisingilin kanyan araw-araw, bayaran mo paunti-unti. Sulitin ang bawat sandali. Isipin mo mabuti kung paano mo gagamitin yung sukli.
Ibig ko lang ipahiwatig
Let's go.
na basta may pag-ibig
That's fucking facts, by the way.
sa puso
Good for thought.
natin mawawagi.
O sigurado, babangon tayo. Kayang lahat, ikaw at ako. Huwag kang susuko, magkasama tayo. Hanggang sa dulo, ikaw.
I'm fucking happy, man. I'm just fucking happy.
Ang nais kong magkasama hanggang narito sa lupa. Kung maaari lang sana, huwag ka nang mawawala. Ako lagi.
Oh, they put the fucking, you know what? That's fucking clever. They put a fucking different meaning, or I mean, same meaning, but different, like vibe and feeling yung kanta. Kasi we all remember the song. I mean, you guys, but for me as well, because it introduce sa akin na itong kanta na to is for, you know, for all 18s and for all Filipino during pandemic. But now, of course, since wala na yung pandemic and we all wanna forget about it, of course, right? You know, they fucking actually add a verse and a bridge sa kanta to, you know, give the song another, you know, meaning for, you know, the listeners.
Sana huwag ka nang mawawala. sangga sa lahat ng iyong problema. Yeah, di ka nag-iisa. O sigurado, mabangon tayo. Ikaw
I'm fucking happy, man.
huwag kang susuko, magkasama tayo hanggang sa dulo, ikaw at ako.
I'm happy, man. God damn, man. You guys fucking making your own song, no? Paano nyo hinihigitan yung sarili nyong kanta? Like, ganun ba kayo ka-competitive, guys? Ganun kayo ka-competitive? Hinihigitan nyo yung sarili nyong kanta. Damn. Wow. Ikako. Alright, our last track, man. SLMT. Wow. I'm actually excited. Since Ikako, I'm actually excited, man. Ooh. They put a different verse. No, but anyway. SLMT. Already a different.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay ko patungo sa aking pangarap.
Oh, it's hitting a different vibe now, man. Iba na yung pakiramdam, no? Narinig mo to ngayon sa unang beses nang ginawa to. Because again, it's a fucking wild journey, man. Simula nung umpisa tong trilogy na to, no? Hanggang sa ngayon. Ngayon, mas iba na yung pakiramdam pag
Lagi ko kayo
sinasabi nila to.
napaglipad.
Oh, more wider.
Sabi nila di ko raw kaya, walang mapapala, wala raw pag-asa. Bukang bibig ng madlay, puro panggagaya. Pero salamat sa lahat ng naniwala.
Naniwala na wala lahat ng pangamba. Nagsimula magmula nung makasama ka. Di ko na kailangan pa ng iba. Halika may sikreto ako at natin lang. Alam mo ba di makakaya nang wala ka. Yeah.
Hey.
Walang makakatumbas sa atin kahit anong pamahalaga.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat
sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay ko patungo sa aking pangarap. Lagi ko kayong tanaw sa paglipad. Ako'y nagpapasalamat
Hey.
sa mga naniwala sa aking abilidad. Sa pagkapag ko na banayan, tatanawin ko kayo sa aking paglipad. Salamat sa thank you very much. Salamat sa
What a song to end the album, no? What a song.
salamat, thank you very much.
Please lang wag ka nang umalis, love. Kasi lagi-lagi na kitang namimiss lang. Parang di nagbayad 1, 2, 3 hanggang peace lang. Dapat paramihin mo ng 6 yung 3 para unlimited.
Still a fucking bar, no?
1, 2, 3 hanggang peace lang. Dapat paramihin mo ng 6 yung 3 para unlimited.
Samahan ng hanggan kahit pasukulan ng mga karanasan. Walang di kayang lagpasan kahit pasan ako ay lagi mong pasan. Minsan may bardagulan, labing siyang pag walang 18 mga kayamanan. Yan ang dahilan ng matamis na karanasan. Kahit pa umulan na kamalasan, di ko na namalayan kasi lagi ka na yan. Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumabay sa paglalakbay ko.
What a journey, guys. By the way, what a fucking journey.
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa mga naniwala sa aking abilidad. Sa pagkapag ko na banayad, tatanawin ko kayo sa aking paglipad.
Wow, man, I'm just fucking happy, no, that they choose this song to end the fucking journey for this trilogy. No, like, wow, like, it's like we watch a fucking movie, no? Now it's a happy ever after. It's the end of the movie, no? Sara na yung curtain. What a show, man. SB19, what a fucking show. Isang pagkatapos ng chapter.
Salamat salamat, thank you very much salamat
Man, the meaning of the thank you very much is fucking hitting different in here, no? It hits different in here.
salamat, thank you very much. Palagi mamahopya, di ka nagsasawa. SLMT nakuha mo ba ikaw yung palagi mamahopya, di ka nagsasawa. SLMT ng sobra, mahal lima, mahal ka ng lima.
What a end the album, no? What a song to end the album. God damn. God damn. Alright, that is Wakas at Simula album. I mean, it's 10 out of 10 for me, guys. 10 out of 10 for me. What a song, man. SLMT, no? It's pang wakas. Bilang ganda. But that is our reaction for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Well, I'm actually fucking speechless now, no? See you on my next reaction or video. You guys have a great day, man. Enjoy the song. Enjoy the song. Peace.